All right, what's up, guys? Hey, I want to jump on here, take a few minutes, kind of share with you how some of my chaos turns into something tangible, right? It's the Inception, the concept of the design. I don't know, some nonsense like that. So, let me show you here. So I have, doesn't really take me too much of anything at the moment. This is a cool wall piece. It's a thick piece of 1/4-inch steel. We got a book, we got letters. It's got standoffs. I suck with this camera. It's got standoffs. So that way we can mount this thing to a wall. And hopefully you can see now what is going on. All right, so I can't turn around. I suck at this. So I can't turn around because I got a cover on. Hopefully you guys can see this. Once I post it, you'll really see good pictures of it. It was a rusty piece of metal that was a drop from a sheet. We, managing materials, oftentimes you'll have a sheet that you just keep pulling little sections and pieces off. And sometimes that sheet could last months and months to get the right size pieces and whatnot. It's chaos. So this piece in particular, it was a section of that 1/4-inch plate, but we had made some wood brands for a customer for his art projects, right? That you see at the farmers markets and these guys that have words burned into wood. Blah. Word, blah. I still can't do it. I still can't talk. Words burned into wood. You guys have seen that? So we made the brand so he could do that. Well, this was the cutouts from that. So the drops. It's actually why you see the B and the D without the islands. They totally fell out. This is part of the stenciling process. So usually stuff like this just gets thrown away, right? And we look at it, we're like, man, that's cool. Like, look, they're letters. Like, there's got to be something to be done with it. And so as this rusty piece of cut crap was heading out the door to the scrap bin, it just caught my eye as, hey, wait a minute, don't throw that away. I got an idea. And that idea started off with, hey, let's clean it up a little bit. And the sheet had rough edges all over it. And let me balance this thing. I can't talk without my hands. So this thing had rough edges all over it. This geometry was here already. But nevertheless, it was, hey, let's clean up the edges. Let's make this thing look nice. Let's make this thing look like it was on purpose. Then as it was laying there, before we even did those cuts, it was laying there. I was like, I need something a little bit more. And then boom, you see this, I'm backwards. Like I feel like this is my whole life. I try to move my hand that direction, and it goes this direction. So seriously. Anyway, so this book idea came about. It's stainless steel flat bar. And there's steel sheet inside there, all welded together. Got some cool details in here. It looks like the glued binder. It looks like thread on it. I can't see my camera. I gotta take this stupid cover off. Jesus, I'm better at making this stuff than I'm doing this other stuff. So what we really balance here when we do these things is affordability, right? We had so many ideas. Hey, let's make letters come out of it. Let's do this, let's do that. And of course, as you explore that, you're like, why don't I use this? I don't want to use this piece of garbage metal now. I want to go out there and cut another piece of metal and do it. And then that just turns into being not what we want to do, right? Like that's easy. Yeah, that's easy. We were throwing some metal away, but we turned it into something cool, and it's gonna live on somebody's wall now. Simple as that. When we have customers come in here and purchase our items, we have a verbal lifetime warranty, especially on artwork, especially on salvage stuff. I tell them that, look, something breaks, falls apart, I want you to bring it back here, let me fix it. I'll fix it for free. I will refurbish it. I'll do something. Even if you're just gonna throw it away back here so I can refurbish it, because the whole point was to keep it out of the junkyard, keep it out of the scrapyard. If we're gonna collect stuff, we're gonna collect stupid shit, we might as well not be throwing it away, right? That's it. That's all I got.